All right, so here we have two world's smallest secret boxes. So we can get a whole bunch of different retro toys, very tiny, world's smallest. So you can get a Magic 8 Ball, a yo-yo, one of those little Fisher-Price phones, a Doodle Top, Polaroid. Yeah, these are super cute. And I can't wait to see which ones I got. So here's the first one. So it already feels sort of square. I can see a little red through the white of the package, so I might get I can't get a yo-yo because that's circular. But I might have a lovely Rubik's Cube, maybe even the phone. So let's see. Oh yes! It's the phone! Oh my goodness, it's so cute. Sorry, I got a low power message. I had to stop for a second. See if my recording was still going. Oh, does it? I don't know. It makes noises apparently when you turn the wheel. Does it ding like the other ones? I don't know. The dial moves a little. If it dinged, that'd be so cool. And the eyes look like they move, but I guess not. Either way, this is so cute. I love that toy. Like, oh, it's so cute. All right, gotta open the second one. Whoops. Let's see. Oh, it's big. This one's really big. It fills almost the whole bag. Once again, it feels sort of cube-like. Yeah, I don't know what this one could be. Oh my goodness, they tear. I'm dumb. I was cutting and I didn't have to. And apparently, I'm like, oh no. Oh, that is so cool. Oh, and this one can be a keychain. Oh my goodness. I love it. Oh, it looks like you can even see through the lens. Oh, these are so well made. On the box, it looked like this came out. I wonder what you have to do to get that out. Or maybe it doesn't, and that was just a way to make it look cool. I don't know, I'll have to figure that out later, because I don't want to break it. Feels really tough. Anyway, these are so cute. Oh my goodness, I love them. Brings back childhood memories, eh? Oh my goodness. Oh, kids today won't know the fun. Anyway, thank you for watching.